fast-paced world of Web3, finding platforms that bridge the gap between old-school reliability and the flexibility of crypto is crucial. Today, we're taking a look at GCRiG. It's a network that's moved on from traditional payments to fully embrace the power of cryptocurrency. With over 100,000 followers and a presence on major exchanges like MEXC, it's all about making node participation easier for everyone. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get stuck in. All right, folks, this is the landing page for GCRiG. You'll find the link to this in the video description. Now, let's have a look ourselves and see what I reckon are the most important things you need to know about it. The ongoing growth of the GCRiG platform's been massive. As you can see, you can move capital across borders at business speed. Now, it all started with the milestone of getting over 150,000 followers on their Instagram account. Honestly, that's a pretty impressive number for their social media. This achievement shows just how much their online community is growing in both visibility and engagement. All right, let's jump over and have a look at the About Us page. Now, with this one, I really recommend you come and check it out yourself when you're doing your own research, because there's heaps of info here about who GCRiG are, what they do, and what really makes them tick. And the platform's vision, structure, and long-term plans are actually laid out really clearly in this section of their website. Now, the core of the platform is its CRB node. CR stands for Cash Recycle Body. It plays a key role in how the whole ecosystem works. As you can see, it's a verified cross-border liquidity system. This is actually a really good read, guys, if you want to learn more and dig deeper into what the CRB node is all about. And of course, on top of that, I also wanted to show you this one right here. So this is their link tree. It's got all the links to their social media platforms. And of course, you've got to make sure you're always doing your own research. Now, guys, let me show you this one right here. So let's log in. All right. So once you log in, this will be your dashboard. Now, you can actually make a deposit by clicking on Add Cash. There are heaps of payment methods available, guys. You've got USDT, you've got Bitcoin. This is ERC20, so Ethereum. All right, then there's the Ethereum token, USDT from TRC20, XRP, Cardano, Solana, BNB, Doge, USDC, and USDC from ERC20. So these are two different blockchains, all right? So you've got to take note of that, guys. Now, I've got Tron, and you've also got Dan Transfer. It's really, really flexible, and that's what I like about them. You've got heaps of different ways to make your transfers and to fund your account as well. You've got your QR code right there. It depends. When you click on that one, you've got to make sure you're always on the right network. That way, when you fund your account, your money won't go through another network and not show up on GCRiG. You've got to keep that in mind. Now, you've also got your transfer option, okay? You can choose the country. Of course, you've got the transfer history up here. You've got the swap bot. You can transfer funds from your spot wallet or your funding wallet, depending on where it is or where the funds are. You can enter the accounts, or rather enter the amount, and then select the wallet you want to transfer it to. Now, you've also got your CRB right here. So if you click on that, it'll take you to this part of the dashboard where it'll show you the earnings. Starter input CRB, advanced input CRB, and rock input CRB, which is tier 1 at the moment. Of course, when you click on View Plan, it'll show you the available plans you can choose from. You've got Starter Input, Advanced Input, Rock Input, CRB, Tier 1 and Tier 2. You can also go ahead and invite your mates or family members who might want to check this out as well. You've got this referral link right here. You'll also be able to keep track of who you've actually referred, and your referral profit will show up right here. It's a good source of passive income. If you want to withdraw your funds here, you can click on the 3 stripes here and then click on Cash Out. It'll take you to this part of the website where you can choose your withdrawal method. You can pick Bitcoin, USD, and then enter the amount. All right, this will be in USD. So, for example, let's say 1,000. The withdrawal fee would be $10. If I put in 100, you'll also have that $1 withdrawal fee. It's about 1% of the amount you're withdrawing. You can also add withdrawal accounts up the top, method, currency, and if you want to click on, you can enter your wallet address and the method name. You can update that withdrawal account and then go ahead as needed. Here's an announcement from MEXC. GCRiG is recognized globally as the safe haven for investors looking to make their liquidity. I'd really encourage you to go and check out MEXC and GCRiG here. All the info's there. So who or what is GCRiG? There's heaps of info that'll help you get a better understanding of what you're actually getting into. All right. So again, guys, check out the links below to explore the GCRiG community and catch up on the latest news from MXC. This is purely educational, and always make sure you do your own research. So if you're after a simple way to get into node participation with the flexibility of crypto, just check out the link below. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you think about hitting like, subscribing, and clicking that bell. That way, you'll always get a heads up when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.